Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can find most view counted video on YouTube from your Android phone or smartphone. This is an easy process. Just follow my step, then you will learn. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. You have to go your YouTube apps, and here you can see my YouTube apps. The right bottom corner, click YouTube apps, and after that you can search anything you want to view as a view most view counted videos. You can't get this, so I just write something. Okay, song, or you can write anything you want. I just write song for example, and okay, then here you can see all types of video, but all video is not most view counted. Okay, so how you can get the most view counted videos? So here you can see the option in the right top corner, three dot. Click on this, and after that you will get two option, filters and help and feedback. Okay, so we need to click first one, filters, and after that we can find here the first option under search filter. You can see here short by this one, and we need to click relevance. Okay, and after that we'll get the drop down pop-up menu. Then here you can see four options, so we need to click view counted, the three option. Click on this, and after choosing view counted we have to apply this, and after that we are getting a lot of videos according to view counted. We know that the Despacito is the most counted viewed on YouTube, and gradually you will see the video view counted according to view counted. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please like the video and also subscribe this channel, and if you don't like this video you can also dislike this. Okay friend, have a good day.